Friends, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Today we start technique number 5 of average. So average technique number 4 up to it was given the last video number 6. Now we consider technique number 5. This, if the average of n object in a class is A, where average of passed students is X and average of failed students is Y, then number of students passed equal to total students into total average minus average of failed students divided by average of passed students minus average of failed students. Total number is n, this is A, total average, minus this is fail, pass minus fail, n into A minus y by x minus y. This is a formula. Just you have to remember this formula, we can solve easily. So this one given, if the average of n students, total number is n, in a class is A. In a class, average is A, how many students? N students. And passing is, average passed is x, failed is y. Then this is our formula, n into A minus y by x minus a. So let us consider one problem. The average marks of 120 students are 35. If the average of passed students was 39 and failed students was 15, then find the number of students who have passed. Is a problem. The option A given 80, B 100, C 120 and D 140. So it was said in SSC CGL 2012. This is our problem. Now what are given? If we comparing with this, average marks of 120 students, 120 means n students. So here solution we get, here n equal to 120. This 35 is class is A. This is A equal to 35. If the average of pass student is 39, X means pass, this is 39 and fail is 15. Fail student is 15. Find the number of students who have passed. The number of students passed equal to, this is a formula, n into A minus y by x minus a. So therefore number of students passed equal to n into A minus y by x minus y. The shortcut formula, n into A minus y by x minus y. So this is our formula. Now putting the values, n means 120, A means this is 35, y means 15 by x means 39, y means 15, and this is 120 into 20 by, this is 4, this is 24. We get this one, and if we cancelling this one we get 100. So answer we get 100 students. So the number of students who have passed is 100. This is our final answer. So option B is the correct option. Very nice solution. Consider another problem. In a class there are 75 students and their average marks in the annual examination is 35. If the average marks of passed student is 55, average marks of failed student is 30, then find the number of students who failed. Option 60, 75, 35, 15. These are options. Now solution, what are given here, we have to find in technique 5 by using technique 5. Here n equal to 75, E equal to 35, x equal to past student is 55 and average failed y equal to 30. We get this. Therefore, number of students who passed equal to n a minus y by x minus y. This is our formula. Using this formula, n means 75 and a means 35, y means 30 and x means 55, y means 30 and this is 525 and this is 75 into this is 5 and this will be 15 we get. This is 5 5s are 25, this cancel and 5 this 15 is this one 15. But our requirement find out the number of students who failed. How many students failed? So number of students, therefore number of students who failed total is our total number of students 75 and pass student is 15 and this will be 60. So answer 60. Number of students who failed is 60. This is our final answer. So option A, this is the correct option. Now we consider another problem. The average marks obtained by 120 students was 30. If the average of the past candidates was 40 and of the failed candidates was 10, then what is 25% of the candidate who passed the examination? So this is a problem. Option given 30, 20, 80, 60. Now we have to find our correct option. Now solution, what are given here? Here n equal to 120, a equal to 30, x equal to 40, y equal to 10. These are given. Therefore, number of past students by shortcut formula we can write n into a minus y by x minus y. These are formula and putting the values, n means 120, a means 30, y means 10 and x minus y 40 minus 10. This is 30, this is 120, this is 20 and this is 0 0 cancel, this is 4, this will be 80. Therefore, the number of students who passed is 80. So 80 students, but our requirement 25 of the candidates who passed. What is the 25% of 80? This is 20. 25% of 80 in memory we can write 20. So therefore 25% of 80 equal to 25 by 100 into 80. So this is 4 and this is 20 and this will be 20 answer. 25% of 80 is 20, or directly in shortcut method we can write 80 by 4, that means 20. So this is our final answer. Very nice solution, very easy, very simple, but very important also. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.